Sold-out variants can make your product page look cluttered and create unnecessary frustration for customers. For example, on this product page, the sky blue variant is already sold out, but it still appears as an available option. Customers may click it only to realize they can't purchase it. In this tutorial, I will show you how to hide sold-out variants for free. No coding required. The Shopify App Store offers several apps with free plans that can solve this problem. In this tutorial, I will use the app Camouflage, hide sold variants with free plan. Let's install the app first. When you click on Install, you will be directed to the Shopify admin page. Before the app is installed, Shopify will ask you to review the permissions it needs. If you're happy with them, simply click Install to continue. Once the installation is complete, let's configure it for your store. From the left-hand menu, go to Apps, select Camouflage, and click Setup. Now let's follow some steps here to complete the setup. You'll first need to choose the theme where you'd like the app to work. Under Action on Sold-out variants, choose either Unpublish or Hide, depending on how you'd like sold-out variants to be handled. Then, under Action on Unavailable variants, enable Hide Unavailable variants. Once you're done, click Next Step. Activate Camouflage to continue. Continue to click on Enable Camouflage button. You'll be redirected to the Shopify theme editor. On the left side menu you will see that the App Embeds panel open. Turn on Camouflage, hide sold variants, then click Save in the top right corner. After saving your changes, return to the app and click Verify Installation to make sure everything is connected correctly. If you'd like more control, you can also explore the advanced setup options. For most stores, however, the default settings work perfectly, so there's usually no need to change anything else. Simply leave the remaining settings as they are and click Save. Now head back to your storefront and refresh the product page. You'll notice that the sold-out sky blue variant is no longer displayed. Customers will now only see variants that are available for purchase, creating a cleaner shopping experience and making it easier to choose the right option. Don't forget to subscribe and check the comments for more details.